Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 2-Minute Tuesday, and in this week's video, I'm going to just quickly walk you guys through how I clean my Enigma components. So first things first, you're going to have to remove your Enigma belt from the faceplate of the holster. And if you've taken apart and put together Enigma before, you know this is a bit of a tedious process, but it's kind of a necessary evil. Here I'm using just a simple Castile soap. It's gentle enough and I don't really have to use very much, and it's also just what I had in the house. And then I just kind of put some lukewarm water in the sink, and I'm just gonna dunk my entire sport belt into that solution and just kind of lightly clean that and my paracord leg leash. Something that I did want to mention here is that this is a prototype sport belt, but there are sport belts available on Filster's website now in all different sizes. I did put a small dab of that Castile soap onto my hand when I was rubbing and cleaning the actual leg leash, but that's definitely not necessary. Using the light solution that's in the sink is plenty. And now I'm just giving them both a really quick rinse and kind of wringing it out before I wrap it in a towel to get it actually totally dry. Here, just kind of lay it out on the towel, and then I want to kind of wrap it up really tightly in the towel. And once I get it all wrapped up in those layers of towel, I squeeze on it really hard, and that gets the majority of the water out of it so that I can really decrease the amount of dry time that it takes so I can put my Enigma back together and know that I have my carry setup all put back together. And now I just hang it over my shower and let it dry. It took about couple hours, like 2 hours, for them to both be totally dry, so this doesn't have to be like an all-day drying event. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one.